Democracy only works when the public can get involved, and if the public is not allowed that process of being able to get involved, we've robbed the public of democracy.
From what it sounds like, is not being associated with something based off of an interest.
From what I understand, it means when there's a conflict of interest, the judge is supposed to step away from the case. And I think that could be a pretty broad sense, either a financial thing or, judges aren't supposed to have a political standpoint, but if they do, then that would be a reason too.
Judicial recusal, what I've heard about it is that, one, it's not something that is an obligation here within the state of Wisconsin, as well as it being a process where judges are not obligated to remove themselves or to disqualify themselves from a court case.
That is surprising and disturbing to me that judges were trying to bring this to attention and were denied.
It's kind of sad that it's come to this, I guess. It's a system based on accountability, but they're judges, so they should be accountable. That's kind of their job, is to do the right thing, to follow the law, to enforce the law.
If I found out that information and that injustice had been done, first of all, I would be upset. I would feel like I wasn't given a fair shot dealing, all things considered, with the situation, and I would pursue trying to find a way to have that case reheard in front of someone that had no connection with what was going on.
If I had an opportunity to voice my support of recusal being something that is the standard of in Wisconsin, I would absolutely celebrate that. And as a mother of two black male boys, I am always concerned with what their experience would be and if they ever encountered any judicial aspect of the state of Wisconsin. And so if there were a way that I could help not just my sons, but children, youth, individuals all around the state where I could support recusal, that would be something that I would absolutely support.
It makes me feel like I don't have a say in what should be done on the behalf of the issue, and it's not fair. So
people want a fair trial. They don't want exterior things affecting their trials and stuff like that. You don't want the people outside of the court influencing the ruling, essentially. So
I do believe that a public hearing is necessary and it's needed. So when you talk about, I stated earlier, the judicial system being our balancing system, it is our last resort. Once the public can get involved, then that is true to the heart of who we are as a nation of people.